What's going on, guys? Welcome to the fishing break. Today we're at Mission Bay again. I was here yesterday and it was awesome, guys, but today it's a little windy, guys, as you guys can see up there. See the trees moving? Yeah, so it's gonna be windy again. I really don't want to use my GoPro mic anymore, but you know what, man, I need to get the content and I might do a voiceover or whatever. But anyways, let's go ahead and fish again, guys. It's a beautiful day out here, and yeah, let's go catch more.
Hey guys, before we get into the video, I just want to let you know I'm very sorry for the wind noise. I'm editing the video right now and it's pretty bad. So I recently got this today. It's a little lapel mic, but it's wireless, so it should help a lot with the wind, especially with this little puff thing right here. I look kind of silly, but it should make a humongous difference regarding the wind. Let's get back to the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy the fishing.
Alright, guys, coming down these rocks again. That's always fun. Ugh. I can't remember the size of this mosquito hook, guys, but it's small. I'll probably put in the link down in the description, so we're just gonna... Apparently these are better hooks than I had. Alright, guys, ooh, we had something. Oh no, it's just a rock. What do we got here? Oh, one of these guys again. I have no idea what these guys are called. I've been told they're good eating. Alright, guys, so we just caught our first fish of the day. We got this guy. Dude, look at those colors, man. That's insane. So he's about a good, let's see here, good, I don't know, man. I'd say about 5-6 inches. But dude, look at his eye. It's crazy. What are these fish called, guys? Can you guys let me know in the comments? I don't know what they're called. But awesome looking fish, guys. Got them on the shrimp. And yeah, let's keep getting more. Alright, guys, we got the fish right here. I'd rather not touch the fish, guys. That's just me. I'm not wearing gloves. So we're just going to turn the hook this way. And then one, boom, there he goes. Or did he? Oh yeah, he gone. Kind of see them right there. Dude, the wind just stopped, so I can see a little bit more down there. Still a tad bit of wind, but like out of freaking nowhere, it just kind of stopped. Got one, guys. Got one. Ooh, it's a big boy. Look at him go. Another one, guys. Ooh, this one has pretty eyes too, man. Look at those eyes. Dude, this is a different one. All right, cool. Let's get him on the big camera. I gotta get some gloves, guys. Which gloves do you guys recommend? I want to learn from you guys. There we go, man. All right, man. You cool. You cool. Big camera. Look at this, guys. A little old boy. This one doesn't have the cool eyes as the other one, but it's huge, guys. This is the size of my hand. It's pretty much the size of my hand. But he's pretty big, guys, on that little tiny mosquito hook and 2 split shots. A semi-windy day in Mission Bay. Let's throw her back. Okay, let's keep going. Actually, I'm gonna release a little bit of line. That way it doesn't come straight to me. That bastard drop. Got one. It's a little spotty. Oh no, calico? Calico, guys. Finally. I don't mind lip gripping these guys. All right, hold on. There we go. Little calico guys. Look at them. They're really freaking cute. See ya, bud. And we kept our bait. Yeah. Just make sure the whole hook is exposed. There we go. So the calico are hanging down here. 2, and then boom, let it sink. Let that sink in. Two in a row. Come on, 2 in a row. Ah, oh, damn it. I think I lost the bait, that's for sure. Oh no, it's still there. Just like that, guys. Ah. Got one other one, guys. Ooh, this is a slightly bigger one. Another species. Oh, I think I caught these before. These guys are nasty. Oh. What are these called again, guys? I can't remember. Ooh, look at that. That's a black spot. Dude, look at those eyes. See if I can get them closer to the GoPro. That's freaking crazy. So, dude, these guys have teeth. I don't know if you guys can see them, so I really want to be careful. I do know for a fact they have teeth. There we go. And he is off. Ah, man. So we still have our bait. So 2 fish and 1 bait. Can we go for the third? I think you got it now. Okay, so we're gonna let this sink in. Over there. We're gonna give it some slack. Let's see if we can get another species here. Oh, that's the third one, guys. That's the third one. And it was the same dude, probably. No, same type of fish. These guys are cool, man. I don't care what they say. There we go, I got the hook. Oh, please don't toss my bait, dude. Let's see if we can do 4. Bam. There he goes. And we still have our bait, guys. Oh my gosh. Can we go for 4? 4 fish on the same piece of shrimp. It's like all chewed up, but I think we can do it. I think we can do it. Oh, no. Bait's still gone, guys. So not a 4th, but we got 3. We got 3 fishes on the same bait. On the same little piece of shrimp, guys. Oh man, what a good day. This is gonna be a really cool YouTube video, guys. I know a lot of you guys are probably gonna criticize me. Dude, you're not catching bluefin tuna or yellowtail, or you're not catching, you know, giant spotties. I'm like, dude, chill. This to me is relaxing. And I know there's other guys out there that like to catch little fish like this, like me. Oh, this is the spot, yo. This is the spot. Oh, dude, we're getting blown up here. Got one. Another one of these little guys. We got the hook. It's gonna be a twist this way. There we go. Alright guys, awesome day fishing, guys. Beautiful San Diego, California, as you guys can see over there. But anyways, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe in the video. This was one of the best fishing days I've had in a long time, especially all winter. It's been a very slow winter. Yeah, guys, so subscribe, guys. I'll give you the location of the spot as soon as you subscribe to me. And just go ahead and send me an email as well. It's linked down below saying, hey, I want to know where that spot is, and I'll let you know. Just keep it to yourself, okay? Don't share it to all your friends and family. Keep it to yourself, man. This is remember, this sport is about respect as well. And yeah, see you later, guys.